Hey everybody, Mr. Jake here with a little beat activity that we can do for what you can do to make music when you're just stuck at home. Because some of us may think that music's all about instruments, or music is all about being able to read notes on a page, or music is all about whatever. But the truth is that music is about listening. And sometimes when I want to play music, it just takes turning on my listening ears and finding some really cool sounds that we can use from around the house. Maybe some that we can even put together that might sound harmonious together. So let's go look for some sounds. I'll show you some that I think are especially musical, like the thump of a good tub, the rhythmic pulsing and beating of rain dripping down out of a rain gutter. Listen to that. The scratchy sound of some gravel and a shoe scraping it against the ground. The wonderful clink of some coins falling on the floor. Ooh, that's fun. Let's try that again. No matter what coins you use, it always comes out sounding a little different. Oh, that one was different. Or maybe even the mechanical, clacky sound of a deadbolt sliding home in your door. That also sounds a little different every time, but it has a great thump to it. Alright, I hope you're ready for the main event. Here it comes. We're going to take all those wonderful sounds we found around the house with our listening ears. I'm going to put those together into a little background beat, and what we're going to do is we're going to use our drums or our pots and pans to play over them. I've got a smaller pot and a bigger pot, different sizes, try to make different sounds. And then to play them, I've got my pencil and also a set of chopsticks. Keep it nice and light so I don't hurt them, not too loud. And what we're going to do is get our listening ears on. I'm going to play some rhythms, and I want you to play them back to me when we're ready. All right? Let's listen to the beat first and see how it goes. Sounds good. Now you guys ready? Get those drumsticks ready? 1, 2, listen to me. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ticka, ticka, ti, 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 ta. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Ticka, ticka, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ticka, ticka, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ticka, 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 ta. Ta, ti, ti, ticka, ticka, ta. Ta, ti, ti, ticka, ticka, ta. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ticka, ticka, ti, ti, ticka, ticka, ta. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ticka, ticka, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ticka, ticka, ta, ta. Free play! And back to it. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ticka, ticka, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ti, ti, ticka, ticka, ti, ti, ta. And done. Nice! Great job! Give yourselves a round of applause! Just shows you can find music just about anywhere, especially if you got the ears to listen for it. Thanks for joining me. Try it again as many times as you'd like.